The story of a poor little canary dreaming of freedom. That's what the Discontented Canary 1934 is all about. It was the very first entry in the Happy Harmonies series from Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer, directed by Rudolf Ising. Told through a gentle, melodic song, the short follows the life of a canary owned by an elderly lady. Day after day, the bird eats and sings behind the bars of its cage, longing to soar freely in the sky. One day, the old woman forgets to close the cage door, and so begins the canary's adventure. Finally free, he flies out into the wide world, only to find that it's not as welcoming as he imagined. Dangers lurk everywhere, especially for a small bird raised in the safety of a home. The animation is well crafted, and the musical narration adds a tender charm. It's clear that the show draws inspiration from Disney's silly symphonies, and there is a gag blatantly copied, but it still manages to carve out its own unique identity. A highlight is the arrival of a thunderstorm, a moment that vividly conveys the threat and fear of the outside world. An underrated gem and a strong start to a series that deserves to be rediscovered and appreciated in its entirety.